hand down judgment at this time. I'm going to reserve judgment. I'll do my best to have it uploaded by Friday. If not, I will have it out by Monday. I'm going to not do it in open court. It will be sent through the clerk and uploaded to.
Ummeli kaMatlala utshele inkantolo ukuthi akusilo iqiniso ukuthi uMatlala unendiza yakhe kanye neskepe ezweni laseMauritius.
By contending that the appellant has a private jet. There's no evidence in this, there's a clear denial. There's nothing to sustain that allegation. Secondly, by contending that he has a boat in Mauritius. There's nothing, there was information received or something to that effect which is not sustainable.
Umshushisi ugcizelele ukuthi usomabhizinisi obekade sezindabeni ngemuva kokugasela kwabomthetho emzini wakhe uBrown Mogotsi wazama amahlandla amaningi ukuthintana noKat Matlala emva kwesithangami sikakhomishana wamaphoyisa KwaZulu-Natal uLieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi nabezindaba sangomhla ziyisithupha kuNtulikazi.
He had saved a policeman's name as operator. A policeman that is linked to the DPCI. Brown Mogotsi attempted to contact the appellant several times after the press briefing of General Mkhwanazi.
Uveze ukuthi maningi amacala okuzama ukubulala okulindeleke kuba uMatlala athweswe wona kungekudala.
The state is in the process of centralizing 2 more other matters, which will bring the counts of attempted murder. It's 5 in the Sibanyoni matter. It's 3 in the DJ Vetti's matter. So that's 8 counts of attempted murder, plus the 3 here. It's 11 counts of attempted murder that he will eventually face.
KwaZulu-Natal lihlehliselwe isonto elizayo icala lephoyisa elisolwa ngokubulala uzakwabo nalapho kulindeleke ukuba lifake isicelo sebheyili. Kholakala ukuthi uSibonelo Ngidi wadutshulwa wabulawa ngemuva kokuba umsolwa emise imoto yakhe wase eyayivimbela ukuba idlule.
I'm going to set the matter for bail on the 27th of October. I am trusting that the state would have finalized investigations and that we would be ready to proceed with your bail application 27 October.
Leli phoyisa eliboshwe uphiko lwamaHawks lisolwa ngamacala afaka phakathi elokubulala, ukuzama ukubulala, ukushayela lidle isidakamizwa kanye nokushayela budedengu. Umshushisi kuleli cala uthi umsolwa watshela omunye wozakwabo ukuthi ufuna ukuhamba ngemuva kwalesigameko.
He was requesting money from people he was with. He said he wanted to go far away after the incident. The state will lead this evidence during the bail application.
Usibonelo Ngidi ufihlwe eMariannhill izolo.